Welcome. If you're wondering how to edit the title of a scheduled video chat in a Telegram group on your PC using the latest update, you've come to the right place. Let me walk you through the simple steps to get it done quickly and smoothly. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're signed in and ready to go. Next, head over to the group where the scheduled video chat is happening. Open that group's chat window so you can access all the group features. Now, find the scheduled video chat within the group. Click on it, and you'll see a menu appear. Look for the three dots icon. This is your options menu for managing the scheduled video chat. Click on those three dots, and from the drop-down, select Edit Video Chat Title. This is where you can change the name that appears for the scheduled video chat, making it clearer or more specific to your event. Once you're on the editing screen, simply type in the new title you want. Whether it's a meeting, a hangout, or anything else, customize it to fit your needs perfectly. After making your changes, don't forget to click the Save button to apply the new title. Your updated video chat title will now be visible to everyone in the group. And that's it. Changing the title of a scheduled video chat on Telegram using your PC is that easy. This small customization will help your group members know exactly what the chat is about, keeping things organized and professional. Give it a try next time you schedule a video chat and enjoy the improved clarity for your group meetings or events. Thanks for tuning in.